Snowmageddon 2026.
Say woohoo! Currently, what, 18 inches outside?
A lot. We'll be going out later. We're gonna take Artie out in the snow.
You wanna go in the snow, buddy? Ready to go play in the snow? Ready?
Look at Mommy's poor baby bear. Oh my goodness, you're gonna go out and see snow for the first time. You gonna go touch it? Oh, that poor baby bear. Daddy's ready. Mommy's not ready. Mommy's never ready.
Mommy had to hold the baby bear.
I did have to hold the baby bear and he's falling asleep. Oh no. Okay, let's go. Oh my goodness.
It's all the snow, buddy. I don't think he's impressed.
No. We just went outside to see Daddy shovel. We're such a big boy in our snowsuit. Big man Art. He's a little bear. Little bear bubbles. Oh my goodness. You're a cutie patootie. Artie's coming to bid day today. Bid day 2026.
Bid day 2026. Say hi, Artie. I'm so excited. You think you're gonna get a bid?
He's stinky.
Diaper changes take like 3 times as long.
Cause you don't stop wiggling. Yeah, wiggle worm.
Are you a wiggle worm?
He'll deny it. Yeah, he'll deny it. He's a little wiggle worm though. Yeah.
And Mike has ringworm. And Telly. Oh, Telly has ringworm. And Mommy has ringworm.